Hello everyone. Welcome to my new video. Without wasting time, we start our today's topic: layers of internet. Everyone knows internet and almost everyone use internet day and day life. And 95% people use only 4% part of internet, that's called surface web. There are 3 or 4 main types of internet layers. You can write only 3 layers of internet in the exam. We discuss. First, surface web is only 4% part of the internet. We can access it very easily through Android mobile, Windows, etc. And we are now using surface web like we watching YouTube videos, chatting on WhatsApp, using Chrome, etc. In short, we are using surface web easily and safely. The first level is the surface web, also called the visible web, indexed web, or lightnet, which is accessible through normal means. It contains popular sites such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Reddit. It is searchable by standard search engines. A few examples of search engines include Firefox, Bing, Google, etc. This stage is accessible by everyone, and also the websites offered are free for visits and using too. Although there are also a few paid websites for premium content, like a premium version of YouTube, Netflix, and likewise. Second one is Barkey web. This level is the last one normally accessible. All levels after that you have to be accessed with a proxy server, Tor the Onion router, or by modifying your hardware. At this level, you can find some underground but still indexed websites, such as 4chan, which is an image board website where users post anonymously. There are a few websites like the Kick-Ass Torrents, which is banned in India but can still be accessed by using a VPN, virtual private network. For instance, the US has access to many websites which at the same time aren't accessible in India, so you could set your VPN to the US and access the content even if it's banned in India. And third one is deep web. The first part of this level can only be accessed by using a proxy. It contains CP, core, hacking websites. Here begins the deep web. The deep web is the entire internet that cannot be found by regular search engines, 96% of the web. The second part of this level is only accessible through Tor the Onion router, which is a browser using which you can connect to a website in such a manner that your connection is bounced off, like a bouncer ball, of relays in the Tor network. Thus the website can't know who you are and your privacy is secured. So basically, to access it you need a lot of encoding and decoding skills. The links to this are divided in the source code, and then you should translate it into the binary language and you're into deep web. And fourth one is charter web. This level is also divided into 2 parts. The first can be accessed through Tor and is the most accessed part of the deep web. Things such as drugs and human trafficking, banned movies around the world, and books and black markets exist there. It also contains hidden wiki links, which is the first website you visit trying to get into the deep web. This is like the deep website, which further provides infinite links to other deep web pages or sites. The further you start going at it, the more restrictive and private the sites become. They start asking for registration IDs, passwords, sometimes credit/debit card details for you to make a payment for entering the sites. In the second part, Tor browsers are not able to reach here. So, there is a special method to reach this level called closed shell system. Here, things become serious. This part of the charter web contains hardcore child pornography, experimental hardware information, gadolinium gallium garnet quantum electronic processors. But also darker information, such as the Law of 13, the experiments done in World War II, and even the unknown location of Atlantis and supercomputers and I. At this level, you can buy drugs, guns, and things that you can't find in the local market around you. Although this isn't easy, to get there is a very big deal. And fifth one is Mariana's Web. The Mariana Trench or Mariana's Trench is located in the western Pacific Ocean about 200 kilometers east of the Mariana Islands. It contains the deepest known points on Earth, vents bubbling up liquid sulfur and carbon dioxide, active mud volcanoes and marine life adapted to pressures 1,000 times that at sea level. It is one of the most dangerous levels known so far. The name of this fifth level is taken from the deepest hole in the world, Mariana Trench. Based on the research, this place may or may not exist. However, based on the most common consensus, this is the place where the most secure data is. The most common Mariana's Web would be the military networks where the most secure data resides. To access the Mariana Web, you have to face some kind of algorithm and calculation that can't be done with the computer. For this, you have to work on quantum computing, secret algorithms, and calculations. One of those rumors is that we can access the Mariana's Web with the help of polymeric Falk-Eyal derivation, which requires quantum computers. Quantum computing is not publicly available because of its needs some extreme function to work so a normal person can't surf. So my question here is, if the dark web has contents like contract killers, drug dealers, and worse than what Mariana Web contains, it is even deeper than the dark web? No one knows if this exists or not, but sounds cool, yeah. Is there something like Mariana's Web and underneath it? Or is this all just like a joke, a legend, or something that is kept so secret like Cicada 3301 or Illuminati? Mariana's Web is the weird, perplexing web secret. There is no solid proof of its existence, so it's depending on which rumors you believe. As per research till now, there is no one has visited this web. And sixth one, this layer is the mediator between the Mariana's Web and the level 7. This layer is the intermediary between the Mariana's Web and level 7, which is also called the fog/virus soup. It's a level that exists for the sole purpose of being one.